in this particular session, we will try to solve one excellent question from the GATE, which is basically based on the basic analysis and the basic component of the electrical networks. Okay, so all of you are aware with the active and passive components. So this question is basically belongs to that topic only. Basic components of the electrical networks. So the question is visible in your screen. So you can see that they have provided one graph and one figure beside of that. In this particular question, they are saying that two voltage sources are present in the circuit X and Y with one series resistor of 1 ohm. Okay, and IV characteristic of that particular source they have provided in the graph. Okay. Now they are saying that the sources are non-ideal. Okay, and these two sources are acting together in the circuit, and you have to claim what will be the voltage now. This is a circuit which they have provided, that you are having the source of X and source of Y whose IV characteristic is present in the figure, and they are asking what will be the current in this particular 1 ohm. Okay, so this question is basically from the basic components. So we can see from here one equation. If I will assume that the current is I, what will be the current of this particular branch? So I am saying that the Vx plus Vy is equals to 1 into I. So I value will be Vx plus Vy divided by 1. So this is the equation number 1 which I will get from the figure. So definitely the next equation I should get from the plot, where this is the voltage axis and this is the current axis, and this is the first source and this is the second source. Okay, so if we want to get the value of the Vx and then Vy from the figure, we should know how we will proceed here. So basically this question is including the graph analysis also. So if you want to write down the equation for this particular line, how I will write the line here? So y is equals to mx plus c. So what is the y? Y is always I here. Y is equals to m. M is basically this 3 and 3. Okay, so slope will be -1 because the slope is decrementing here, and the c value is 2. So v y plus 2 plus 3. This is the equation number 2. Now the next one is this line of source X. So 2 by 4, slope is -1 by 2. So Vx by 2 and c value is 2. So this is I. Why I am writing I and I? Because I know that both are acted in the series, so in series current will be common. So you will get one relation from here. So just put the value here and I will become equal. So you will get Vx by 2 plus 2 is equals to minus Vy plus 3. Now you are having one relation here and one relation here. So you just have to calculate the value of Vx plus Vy and you will get the value of I from here. Okay, so my interest is to correlate the things as easily I can. Okay, so my interest is not to solve the equations here. My interest is to show you how to approach such type of numericals where the graph will be present. Okay, so I am using only this particular line equation to solve this entire particular question. So now we will try to solve. Now we are getting the value of Vy and Vx from these two equations. Just put the value here. So I is equals to 3 minus I plus 2I minus 2, and we will get the value is equals to this value is this. So if I will put here, you will get one mistake I have done previously. So if I will calculate the value of Vx from here, the Vx will become, now put this value of Vy and Vx over here, and you will get I is equals to 3 minus I minus 2I plus 4. Okay, now 3I, this will become 4I, is equals to 7, I is equals to 7 by 4, and this value is 1.75. Okay, so ultimately this is the one approach by mathematics. If I don't want to solve by this particular method, I can use any other method also. I is equals to 1.75 ampere. Now another method is, if I am aware that how any non-ideal means practical voltage source will get reflected. So I know that if this is a practical voltage source, the practical voltage source will be represented as a voltage source, one resistance in series. Okay, so what is the maximum voltage offered by this particular X source? 4 volt. And what is the variation in the voltage and current? Because I know that dV by di will tell you the resistance offered by this particular source. So total variation in the voltage is 4 volt and total variation in the current is 2 volts. So number will become 4 by 2. So 2 is internal resistance of the source X. So if I will apply here, the maximum voltage is 4 and the resistance is 2. Similarly, for the Y source, one source with one resistance, the maximum offered voltage is 3. Total variation voltage is 3 and total variation in the current is 3. So internal resistance will be 1 ohm. And 1 ohm they have provided exclusively. Now again, if I will apply the KVL in this particular path, minus plus, that means the 7 volt, 2, 1 and 1, that means 4. Directly you can have the value from here. Okay, so either do by this method or with the previous method you should get the same answer. Okay, thank you.